Let's be real for a second. If you're alive in 2025, there's no way you don't know about AI. It's everywhere. But why just sit back and watch AI do its thing when you can actually use it to your advantage? That's what we're talking about today. 3 totally unexpected ways to make money with AI in 2025. We're not talking boring, overdone stuff here. Number 3. Reuse long-form content with Opus.pro. A few years ago, if you wanted to talk about leveraging AI, YouTube videos were the go-to example. But fast forward to today, and the game has completely changed. With tools like Opus.pro, you're no longer just watching, you're transforming. This isn't just a way to use AI, it's a way to redefine how creators maximize their content. Begin by visiting the Opus Clip website and signing up for a free trial, which lets you generate up to 90 minutes of video processing time that's nearly 30 clips at no cost, for consistent use. There's a free forever plan with watermarked videos, or you can upgrade to a paid plan starting at $19 per month. Perfect for scaling your video production. Once registered, log in to the intuitive dashboard, where you'll see a box to paste the link of any YouTube video you wish to transform. For instance, you could use a podcast episode or a tutorial as your source. Paste the YouTube link into the designated area, and the AI will analyze your video. Before generating clips, it's essential to tweak a few settings to optimize results. Set the clip length to under 60 seconds to ensure compatibility with platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. After configuring these settings, hit the Process button, and the AI will cut your video into multiple short clips. You'll receive an email notification once the process is complete, and your clips will appear in the dashboard, fully subtitled for accessibility. The AI will also assign each clip a virality score, ranking them by their potential to attract views. This scoring system allows you to prioritize content that's more likely to perform well. Editing and customization are straightforward with Opus Clip. You can fine-tune each clip by adjusting subtitles, changing start and end points, and tailoring the visuals. The tool offers extensive styling options, such as font sizes and colors, which can be saved as templates for future use. If emojis are added by the AI but don't fit your branding, simply toggle them off in the settings. These features ensure your clips are polished and ready to represent your content effectively. One standout feature of Opus Clip is its ability to connect directly to your social media accounts. By integrating your YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels accounts, you can post your clips with a single click. This automation saves significant time, allowing you to focus on creating more content or engaging with your audience. Once your clips are ready, they open the door to various monetization opportunities. You can grow your channel and unlock ad revenue by regularly posting high-quality, engaging shorts. Additionally, you can offer your services to other creators or brands, creating short clips for them and charging per project. Embedding affiliate links in your video descriptions can generate passive income, while successful shorts may attract sponsorships from brands seeking to collaborate. Just a kind reminder, if you're using content from others, always respect copyright rules. Sounds great, right? But wait until you hear about building websites with AI tools. Number 2, build websites with AI. Website building was the highest paid job in once upon a time. Gone are the days when creating a website meant spending tons of money and countless hours on development. With AI, building a website from scratch has never been easier or more affordable. From content to layout, every detail can now be customized by AI, saving you both time and resources while delivering professional results. AI tools like Wix ADI Bookmark and others revolutionize web development by crafting personalized designs based on user input. For example, Wix ADI starts by asking questions about your business or goals and then generates a website tailored to your needs. Simply log into your Wix account. Choose Create New Site and follow the prompts to start building with AI. The interiorsbyapurva.com website is an example of the output. AI can also be integrated into platforms like WordPress, automating tasks such as content creation, image optimization, and chatbot setup. Once the AI generates a website, you can tweak it to reflect your brand, modify themes, layouts, and color palettes to make the site unique. Tools like Wix allow you to refine sections, adjust text, and even change typography with just a few clicks. Additionally, AI Insights can help optimize your site's layout and design for better user engagement. Once you've mastered using AI tools for website creation, you can market your expertise on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even through personal social media channels. Highlight your ability to create professional websites quickly and affordably. For example, advertise packages that include a fully functional website, SEO setup, and mobile optimization. Showcase examples of sites you've created using AI tools to attract more clients. Use testimonials, before and after designs, and your branding to establish credibility. If you need a step-by-step explanation video for this website creation idea, drop a comment below. Number 1. Sell AI-generated prompts on Fiverr Pro. Next, AI tools like ChatGPT have incredible potential, but most people barely scratch the surface of what they can do. That's where you step in. By creating well-crafted prompts, you help users unlock AI's full capabilities without the hassle of trial and error. This service is in high demand, offering an excellent opportunity to earn income. Start by understanding how AI tools like ChatGPT work. Experiment with different input styles and commands to see what generates the best results. Tools like AIPRM make it easier to design and optimize prompts for specific tasks such as marketing, content writing, or data analysis. The key is to develop prompts that save users time and provide consistent, high-quality outputs. Think beyond single prompts. Develop collections or bundles tailored to specific industries or tasks. For instance, you could create a marketing prompt Bible for social media managers or an e-commerce prompt pack for online sellers. This bundling approach offers more value and allows you to charge higher prices. Platforms like Fiverr Pro and PromptBase are ideal for selling AI-generated prompts. Fiverr Pro, in particular, connects you with premium clients willing to pay top dollar. Create professional listings highlighting how your prompts deliver value, such as faster content generation, improved efficiency, or creative breakthroughs. Start small with individual prompts priced at $2 to $3. For larger bundles like a comprehensive prompt Bible, you can charge anywhere from $10 to $50, depending on the complexity and volume of your prompts. With a bit of upfront work and ongoing marketing, selling AI-generated prompts can become a steady source of income and an excellent way to help others harness the power of AI effectively in all these earning ways. Although AI does much of the heavy lifting, it's your consistency that will bring you the results you're aiming for. So, be consistent, and see you soon, billionaire, with another useful video.